Put your seatbelt on now. You over here jamming this shit. You acting like you know shit. Put your fucking seatbelt on right fucking that side. You got the camera on that side. Put it on the fucking seatbelt.
Yeah, bitch.
The fuck is you doing?
Get your ass back.
You know every lyric in the goddamn book, but don't know how to put a fucking seatbelt on.
Man, that's kid.
This bum ass driver crashed. Now you flying out the front door.